What's going on, YouTube? We just got an announcement that the iPhone will be announced on September 14th. That is 1 week away from today. Whew, it's hot in here. I'm going to talk about why we really shouldn't be expecting much from this event. So before we get started, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell so you don't miss as we cover your favorite tech and video games. I'm Chris Grant Jr. It's the Granite Geek Show. So yes, here's the graphic that Apple presented while they're announcing that the iPhone event will be 1 week from today. And there are some hints here. It looks much like the nighttime, daytime type of vibe and feel that we get from macOS and even iOS, where you have night mode. Stay tuned, as I'm probably going to do a bigger breakdown and kind of hint Easter eggs video breaking down what we can grasp from the image itself in the invite. But the reason I say we shouldn't be expecting much, basically the reports are saying we should expect iPhone and Apple Watch 7. But with reports coming in that the Apple Watch won't be available, or at least very limitedly available at launch, I would expect this to be a trend for all the products that Apple is going to announce and or release in the next several months. So there's one extra device I think we could see that has been delayed super long, and it's been ready and sitting waiting in the wings, and it's going to start to get old, and those are AirPods 3. So I think that this event on September 14th is going to give us iPhone, Apple Watch Series 7, and AirPods 3. No more, possibly less. And what I think this is Apple understands that iPhone needs its own month. And they also want to give their customers some time to get 1 or 2 more paychecks so they can buy iPhone. And then a couple months later, when the new M1X Mac devices are announced, I can't even definitively say released, they'll have a little bit more spending money to go out and get those devices. So they don't want to inundate the month of September with a ton of devices, and people can't really afford it. And then the longer they wait on purchasing it, they start to think, and they may say, maybe I don't need it. I've seen some videos. Maybe the performance isn't as much of a boost as I thought. They want you to run out and grab as many products as you can, but at the same time, they want you to have the money to kind of do it. So it could go either way. On top of that, guys, of course, we have a chip shortage, a global chip shortage, which has affected everyone, including Apple. And I think that's just going to be another reason why they're not going to be announcing more than iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. AirPods mainly because they're already made and they're already ready. And then obviously iPhone is going to be Apple's biggest order of the year, and Apple Watch is going to get the short end of the stick and be limited in its availability. So guys, are you excited for this event? Do you hope that they announce more at the event? Also, what do you think about the possibility of limited availability for the Apple Watch? And you can kind of guess the iPhone. Of course, there are going to be more orders for that. So let me know down in the comments below. Hit the like button on the video if you're enjoying the content. Also, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. We are doing a change up with the channel. We've kind of shifted our strategy, so I'll make a video on that very soon. The only way to see it is to stay tuned by subscribing and clicking the bell. Leave a like on the video if you like the videos. We cover your favorite tech and video games. I'm Chris Grant Jr. It's the Granite Geek Show.